computer science theory paper in the year 2021. So let us see how the exam will be. In part 1, the question paper is divided actually into part 1 and part 2, and it is out of 70 marks. Practical is out of 30 and theory out of 70 marks. In the theory paper, the question 1 will be 5 marks, that is 1 mark question. 5 1-mark questions will give you 5 marks which will be asked from Boolean algebra portion. So in Boolean algebra, we have to study 1-mark question as if it is the first part of our question paper. This part 1 is compulsory part without any choice. The second question is 10 marks questions, that is 10 marks means 2 mark each. So 5 questions will be there. In the second question, 2 into 5 will give you 10 marks which will be asked only from the Java theory portions. So in that question number 2, we will have one question from the prefix to postfix conversion. The other question will be the array address calculation. The rest 3 questions will be purely theory based question from the Java fundamental part. Then question 3 will be 5-mark output question which can be either asked from a function, from a loop or recursion itself. Then part 2, section A will be question 4, question 5 and question 6. So from part 2 we have choice. In part 2 we have the question 4 which will be an SOP as well as POS from the K-map. Second, the question number 5. Question number 5 will be somewhat application type questions from Boolean algebra itself. That is, sometimes one diagram will be given, logic gate will be given, and they will ask you to write the simplified expression of the output or something which is similar to that. So Boolean algebra, prepare nicely. Then question number 6, again it is Boolean algebra which will be the application of the logic gates like adder, half adder, decoder, like that. So in the Boolean algebra part, we have here 10 marks, here 10 marks. This is choice. So 3 question, minimum 2 we have to attempt. So 20 marks. Then here the 5 mark from the question 1. So 25 marks is the weightage for Boolean algebra. So if you concentrate nicely, you will be able to get the full 25 marks in Boolean algebra part. Now the theory of Java is concerned. Here I told you the 10 marks. Then here you can see the programming coming in section B as well as section C. Now in section B, we have got 3 programs. From that we can write 2 minimum. From the 2 questions, you can either select the loop or the string or the array, whichever topic you are comfortable with. And in one of these questions, they will ask recursion concept also. So we have to prepare in that way. Then coming to section C, here we have, here also 10 marks, okay. So 10 into 2 will give you 20 marks. Here also 10 into 2 will give you 20 marks. Here the 20 marks. Then section C, any 2 question again. The first one, question number 10 will be from inheritance and question number 11 will be from data structures. Then question 12 will be from the binary tree. Now here question number 10, inheritance. Either they will tell us to write the base class after giving the derived class details and all, or otherwise they will give the base class details and they will ask us to write the derived class details. So like that question will come from here 5 marks. Data structure, we will have a program. Then as far as the programming is concerned with string, loop, array or data structure, whichever, every program is function based. So if you are familiar with the function concept, the programming is very easy for you. So please prepare like that. Then data structure, the program will come from stack or queue. So please prepare that program nicely and then you will be able to get the good marks. Then binary tree, if the concept is very much clear, we can attempt that question since it is a choice. Now there are students who attempt all the questions apart from the choice. They are not bothered about choice. They will write all the questions. For them, the advantage is that the maximum they write, wherever if they find any mistakes, if they are always bothered that they should get the maximum marks, then sometimes here and there some mistakes may come or may not come. That time this extra question which they have attempted will help them a lot, since the extra question may be fully correct, so that they will get the full marks. So please be aware of that and keep in mind when you write the exam and when you practice well for the examination. So this is the guideline for how to prepare for the board exam Computer Science ISC in 2021. If you have any doubts regarding this, please mention the doubt in the description box. I hope this is valuable for you to prepare for the coming board exam, and I wish everybody a great success. So if you like this and if you find it very informative, please share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.